Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today we're going to take a look at block 10 of the Cascade Yarns Diagonal Afghan. Alright, so here is block 10, and you can see we have some cool geometric patterning going on here. And this is a nice one because it is all made with knits and purls. So I'm not going to show you any techniques. You can check out our basic techniques video. There's a link to that in the upper right corner. And as long as you know how to knit and purl, you can definitely do this patterning. An interesting thing to note about it is that it is reversible too. So these sections here are all done with a seed stitch, and then you've got knits like stockinette and reverse stockinette here, which is the opposite on the other side. So your square ends up being reversible. So one thing about that, make sure and mark your right and wrong side. I like to do that using a locking stitch marker. I'll just hook it onto the right side of my work so that I always know that if I'm looking at the stitch marker, that means I'm on the right side. I always do that with reversible patterning because otherwise it's really easy to forget which side you're on. And especially when you're establishing this pattern, it might not be obvious which stitches you're going to be purling or knitting next. So that would be the one tip I would give you on working in a square like this. But otherwise, it's just your basic stitches, knits and purls, and it'll make this really cool geometric textured square. All right, so that was everything you need to know about block 10. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!